Hello, here's how you can listen to your own music on Spotify. I'm gonna showcase this on PC, however on the smartphones it is pretty similar. So what you want to do is enable local files. In order to do this, go to your profile settings, click on the icon over here in the top right corner, and then go to settings. Now over here you'll see your library section where you have show local files option. If you click on it and if you enable this slider, you will see this additional section called show songs from, where you have by default two options. The first one is downloads and the second is music library. These are the sources from which the music will be taken. You can even add your own source, so if you click on add a source, you can select the folder from which the Spotify will take the music. And once you enable that, you will see on the left side that you will have local files folder added or playlist. If you click on it, you will see every song that has been found by Spotify from your sources, and then you can listen to it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.